Fettuccine Alfredo. Remember, always cook your stuff so the water boils faster. You can use a flat pan like this. Don't listen to them with the big thing of water, it takes too long. Go for surface area. Alright. Oops, I forgot to turn this off. Cooked them to al dente for fettuccine. It's like 12 minutes, they said. Gross. Okay, I touched it with my hands. I'm gonna add some butter. Kerrygold, baby. Kerrygold, yep, right one. This is so hard with one hand. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I think that's a perfect amount. Right there. Oh, baby. Yeah, one-handed cooking. Yeah, it's the best. Da 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 dee dee da. Something like that. Right? 1 sec. And then we'll add something else. Alright. Pepper. Boom, baby. And that's not all, folks. I gotta find a fork. Cool. Check it out, sardines. Yeah, and all the olive oil. Yeah, baby. This is how we do it. We have so many sardines. We have sardines coming out of our ears over here. I rinse those because the smell is terrible when you throw it in the trash, so. And I don't cook the sardines because they're already cooked and the smell is terrible, so. There you go. Let's mix it up. Let's get the sardines a little warmer. Cut them up a bit. Hell yeah. And some oregano. There you go. And that's dinner, folks. Thanks for watching.